All right. Exercise 814 uses the exact same data that we had before, but this time we're going to do the perpetual inventory system. Okay, and since we're using the same data, our goods available for sale is exactly the same as it was before when we added it all up, 111,400. All right, so now we're going to do the FIFO system first. We do FIFO and then we do the average method. Okay, so in FIFO, we have to go by when we sell. Because we're on a perpetual system, we have to go by when we sell. So on August 14th, we sell 6,000 units. So we only have the ones on inventory of 2,000 units and the ones we purchased on August 8th. And so that gives us 10,000 total units. So that's going to be 2,000 of those at 530,000. And we know what those are already is 10,600. And then we're going to sell 4,000 of the 8,000 purchased. And those were at 550. And so that will be 22,000 there. All right. So that's FIFO. We have 4,000 of that 8,000 purchase remaining. Okay, the next one that we go down to, we sold 7,000 units. And so we're going to take the oldest ones. That'll be the 4,000 remaining from the 8,000 purchase. 5,000, that's 22,000. And then we're going to, we purchased 6,000, so we need 3,000 of those. And those were purchased at 560. And that's 16,800. So if we add that all up, we get 71,400. Take the 71,400. This is our cost of goods sold. And that's going to equal 40,000. Now that should be very familiar if you watched exercise 8-13. As you see that's the exact same numbers that we got under FIFO on a periodic system. 71,400 cost of goods sold, and then ending inventory of 40,000. Okay, now that's always going to be the case under FIFO. It doesn't matter whether you use perpetual or periodic, you will end up with the same number. That is not true for weighted average or LIFO, but it is true for FIFO. Okay, so then the next one, part 2 of this one, it asks us for the average costs. Okay, so we need to get the average cost at the time of the first sale. So we had the 2,000 units at 530, and we know that's 10,600. And we had the 8,000 units at 550, and we know that's 44,000. So we have a total cost of 54,600. We have 10,000 units, so we divide this by 10,000, and we get $5.46. So the first sale is 6,000 units at $5.46, and that's going to equal 32,760. Okay, now we also need to do the inventory. We sold 6, we had 10, that gives us 4,000 remaining in inventory at 546, and that's going to equal 21,840. Okay. Then we purchased another 6,000 units and we purchased those at $560, and so that's going to be $33,600. $21,840 plus $33,600. We've got $55,440. Again, we've got 10,000 units, and that won't always be the same. This is a textbook problem. So that'll be $5.54, and I go ahead and extend it out to that 0.4 cents. Then at the time of sale, we sold 7,000 units times $5.554. $5.544 times 700 equals 38,808. Okay, and then we have the ending inventory. We sold 7,000, so we had to have 3,000 left times 5,544. And that's equal to 16,632. Okay, so then we purchased 4,000 units at $580. And that's 23,200. Add that up, we get 39,832. This will be our ending inventory. Divide that by 7,000. $5.69 average cost for the ending inventory. This is our total ending inventory. Add up these two. 32,760 plus 38,808 gives us 71,568. And that is our cost of goods sold. This is our ending inventory. We can check that. We can check that by taking goods available for sale of 111,400 minus cost of goods sold, 71,568. $39,832, and so that's our ending inventory, and it checks out. All right, so that is exercise 8-13.